Today I'm going to show you how to make a lovely elderflower vinegar. This is really nice for different salads and give loads of different dishes a lift. So elderflower grows in May and June in hedgerows, and you can find it on a plant with these five little leaflets. It smells really nice. You want to make sure you pick it when there hasn't been rain for 2 days, so you've got lots of pollen and nectar. And then we are simply going to put the elderflower into the jar. We want to fully submerge them in the jar. So the jar has been sterilized, and it's a simple white wine vinegar that I'm using here. So you pop them all in, seal up the jar, leave it for 2 weeks to ferment. Then you can strain it and you can use the elderflower vinegar in lots of different dishes. So thanks for watching my video today on making elderflower vinegar. Please like and leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you get lots of updates on different kitchen skills and recipes. Check out my elderflower cordial and other different recipes on YouTube. Thanks for watching.